Figured I'd do a little walk around on my H. I got the alternator cocked in to where the hood will actually go on now and close the way it should. Better tire on the right front. Stole it off my poor little Dexter over here. And old tractor's got pretty decent rubber all the way around now. I had the 3-point hitch added. I need to figure out a way to put a belly bar on it because it's kind of hard to tow and use the hydraulics at the same time. Of course, the gas leaks. It's Farmall. Got pretty decent sheet metal. I need to get it put back on now that I've got the alternator in place. Poor little old thing starts up